Hello, we are Julia and Miguel, if you don't know yet, and today we want to give you a house tour, an empty house tour of our apartment in San Diego, for which we are paying
$1,700. So if you've been following us, you know we've been kind of being nomads, traveling, RVing, doing all kinds of stuff. This next year we're gonna actually be settling down a little bit in San Diego. I'll be going into the office once a week. So we decided to look for an apartment like last Monday, and then today, Saturday we have the keys. We got the keys yesterday, Friday, and today, Saturday, we're gonna officially move in all our stuff. So follow us along this video, and you can see what a $1,700 a month apartment in San Diego in a pretty good location looks like.
Hi, I just quickly wanted to jump on and say that I don't think it's normal or the average time how fast we found our apartment, because when we looked at some other places, we met people, they've been telling us that they look for a place since 3 or 4 months already, and it took us literally 6 days from getting a showing, looking at the apartment, signing the lease and moving in, everything during 6 days. And I think we were just very lucky, and we're very, very grateful that we found the place that fast.
First thing you see is the surfboard.
Yeah. So yesterday we kind of somewhat began moving. We rented a U-Haul and loaded all our stuff from the storage unit and kind of dropped it off. We actually left it in the U-Haul overnight and dropped some stuff off in the apartment, so you can kind of see some boxes here, some surfboard. We also dropped off the mattress in the bedroom to sleep. So this is our living room here, pretty wide. We have a couple of plans for the living room. We want to put a sofa here, so we'll see how that sets up. Maybe we'll do a follow-up video after everything is set up in here. But anyway, you can see kind of the airplanes leaving here and the San Diego Bay. It's a bit noisy with the highway, but nothing we can't handle. So we have these 2 big windows. I think all day they're gonna bring a bunch of light into the room. Fortunately, we don't have a light here. So all day we'll have good light, but at night we have to figure out what we do. We might need to put some floor lamps.
Down there we have some more storage space and a little hole in the wall where we're probably gonna put our TV. And here we have a tiny walk-in closet for our jackets and sweaters, so it's good to have that storage space too.
This is our dining area. I have a pretty cool table that I hope fits here. This is where we'll have all our delicious dinners. We have our kitchen here. Pretty spacious kitchen compared to the kitchens we saw on the other tours.
We really like that the space looks so open, but there are still different rooms, and those shelves I think you see there we're gonna use as a bar. And yeah, we have a dining area, we have a living room, and we have a kitchen, so it's like 3 different spaces where you can chill. And this fridge came with the apartment. It's not the newest one, but it's pretty spacious. And yeah, the stove and the oven look very antique, but we actually tried out the oven I mean, and it turns out that it heats up pretty fast, even though it doesn't have any special settings. And yeah, here you can just see the extra storage space that we have. So very good.
The kitchen looks a bit old school, but I think we can make it look retro-y.
Yeah, I think it will. Here we have an entranceway to our bathroom.
Yeah, so from this side, we're in the kitchen right now. You walk in here.
We really like this place because it's like a little maze. You can go everywhere. There's a bunch of doors. You just open and you are somewhere else in the house.
It also came with some storage here. And here as well, behind the mirror. That's our bathtub / shower. Let's see if we're ever gonna take a bath in there. And then from the bathroom, you can also walk in the bedroom.
This is where the magic happens. This is the bedroom. We thought it was a little bit small for kind of the bedroom set we have, but we kind of measured it last night, and I think we'll have just enough room to open this door. Maybe put some, what do you call them, tables?
Some nightstands,
Some nightstands on the side. And then we have our tiny closet on this side.
Oh, and then also goes to the left here a little bit. This closet is bigger than some of the apartments that we looked at, by the way.
We have these cool new features. These weren't here when we actually checked out the apartments. You also have holes in the walls where they installed them. So they installed these wall heaters, they're electric heaters, the day before we moved in. So we haven't really used them yet, but hopefully they keep us warm next winter, or the rest of this winter.
Then we also have a nice big window here. From here you can't see the airport, but you can see something else that's very special about this apartment, because it comes with a terrace.
Here you have another overview. I really like those wooden shelves in the wall to put things there, and we have a lot of daylight, so it's super bright in the bedroom.
So from the bedroom you can basically also walk back to the living room. So it's kind of like a, I'm going to show you the circle. Voila.
So this apartment for us, it's very big and spacious. My brother came last night and he thought it was a very small apartment, but he doesn't know kind of prices and sizes in San Diego. We looked at probably 6 apartments this past week, and we saw many like studios which were smaller than this living area, and they costed kind of the same amount as this apartment did. So this apartment, I think it was 500 square feet about, and it's 1,700 per month plus utilities. So it's a bit expensive compared to other places in the world, but I think compared to San Diego and like post-COVID rent prices, I think it falls like right in line with all the prices. We also have, you know, room for everything. We have a bedroom, which sounds kind of obvious, but not many places have bedrooms. They're just little studios. We also have the outside area we can show, and then there's also some shared laundry spaces. A little bit noisy out here.
Yes, it didn't come with a dryer or washing machine. There's a shared laundry. You have to pay for that. We'll check that out in a couple of days. And voila.
This is our terrace. We thought we were supposed to share it, but it seems like everybody has their own terrace.
That's ours.
This nice little area, and then we have a nice view of San Diego skyline, and then we have the bay, and then we have the airport.
A couple of cruises there.
The laundry unit's a little sketchy back here. Maybe we'll walk there. We won't actually go in, but
I never lived anywhere with shared laundry, so this is interesting.
that's where we're gonna do laundry in the next few days.
We have a lemon tree here. Or lime? No, it's lemons. So many.
Like lemons look like limes.
This is what we can do our morning water with. Ooh, I completely forgot to say goodbye earlier. So we hope you enjoyed our video and kind of got an overview what we are getting for $1,700 here in San Diego, in case you're looking for an apartment or you don't have any idea how much it costs or how the apartments look like, what you get for the price. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed our apartment tour. We know that we still have a lot of work to do to make this place our home, but we're definitely gonna take you along, and yeah, stick around for the new chapter of our lives. Miggy is getting some stuff ready right now, that's why he's not here, but I'm gonna say it for both of us. Ciao, cacao! See you in the next video!